Vercel Labs, they just released agent native programming language. It's called Zero. This is the GitHub repo. Already has 2.2 thousand stars, released last week. It is an experiment in building an agent-first programming language. The project is exploring what changes when agents are primary users from day one, a language that can be learned on the fly, tooling that exposes structured facts for debugging and repair, and a standard library broad enough that most programs do not start with a dependency search. Zero is pre-1 and intentionally unstable. So breaking changes forthcoming for sure if you're using this. But I think this is really cool. Here's like a marketing post by MarkTech Post. This is a cool image where the CLI emits structured JSON by default. So this is zero check dash JSON, and it'll actually throw out particular structure for the agent to check out, like code, a repair. And so what they say here is that each diagnostic carries a stable code parameter, a human readable message parameter, and a repair object with a typed repair ID. Humans can read the message, agents read code and repair, and it's the same CLI command serving both of those personas. I thought that was pretty cool. I don't know where this is going to go, but it makes sense that somebody would try this. And I was surprised. It doesn't surprise me that's Vercel, but when I saw it, I was like, oh, wow, this is cool. Why would they try to make this? And then from a business standpoint, it totally makes sense if other people adopted this and, they own sort of the deployment and hosting story. That'd be pretty dope. And they could, and what I imagine is if an application adopted this language and then deployed it, hosted on Vercel, you would probably get better, less erroneous build pipeline over time, right? Mm-hmm. That's what I imagine would come out of this. What do you think of this Zero programming language for agents, Jonathan?
Yeah, it's a really interesting idea. It definitely serves a purpose. I think just in terms of efficiency, like we've been writing code for years at the human level, but like when we say compile code in our browser, JavaScript gets minified and we can't read that necessarily nor debug it, but machines can. And then the format, it was kind of interesting because the harness that I'm having Codex build right now, this is what the code looks like because it's building a harness for like an agent description to another agent, right? And so it's kind of curious that, this is kind of structured JSON looking blob is like the best way that the agents have to interpret it. It matches my own experience about how my agents are talking to each other. So we'll see where it goes, I don't know that it even matters. Like, I don't even know that humans need to define this. I think that agents might just be able to figure out how to talk to themselves more efficiently without us.
Yeah. That's funny.